KT put the blind in a perfect.
Yeah, he did.
Perfect spot. He comes from
The left.
down the 5-3 road to the west.
Yep.
That's why he came yesterday.
Yeah, that's what I had to do. He come down, I guess that. No, he came down the next open one.
Right through old Jacob.
Like you said, 4-1.
Yeah.
Yep.
That Jake lay down here.
Them jokers was pulling that bird over there.
That's that 7-9 blend I got. But just hold on. It's straight.
Pick him on up, I want to see him.
It's straight rolling. He got a little spur on him. He ain't got much.
Oh yeah. Definitely. Let me see. What does his fur look like? Oh yeah.
Got a little beard.
Ah!
A nice little beard.
Oh yeah.
Man, that was all. I thought we was gonna have to wait him out all morning. You know that we've been getting them on camera a little later.
Right.
They've been in here all week. After 2 of them, I just knew. We brought snacks, you know.
Yeah, snacks for days.
Hey, snacks.
We was gonna wait them out, you know.
I ate all mine. I think I got one snack stick left.
We didn't we didn't really get aggressive with the calling too much. Just called a little. That trumpet, I think he heard. You know, I hammered that on it pretty good.
Scratching out there a little bit.
Cutting. And then you was about 5 minutes. You was like, there he is, there he is, there he is.
Yep.
Almost, it was so quick that, like, guy was scrambling to, he's coming, and he got him on. I mean, it just come together perfect.
It did.
Man, KT coming here last night. You see how open these pines are. I mean, you know, you can't move at all. And he come in here last night and put that blind up, found those clump of vines and all. Kind of put that up. We
It was about the perfect setup.
man,
It was perfect.